Happy New Year, everyone. Happy 2022. I am Wendy Blanchard, holistic health coach, and I am creating a yummy sweet potato rice, fried rice. So I began by putting some sesame oil at the bottom of the pan, and I am slowly cooking the chopped up. You can buy it this way, actually, organic, or you can buy organic sweet potatoes and then you can put it in the food processor and chop it up like this. And then just let it, I added in a little bit of, let me see what I have here, the gluten-free tamari, organic tamari. So I added some of that in. And then I also have some organic broccoli, organic scallions, and some organic bell peppers. And then I have the organic eggs ready to go because once the vegetables cook, I make this little hole in the middle of the pan here, and I fry the egg and then I mix it in. So I'll show you how all of that looks when it's finished. I've now added in some vegetables. I wish I had mushrooms, I don't, but I did have some organic sugar snap peas, and then the organic broccoli, bell peppers, scallions, and all of the vegetables. I like to cook it slowly. I added in some extra oil. It seemed a little dry. And I don't know, I usually cook this for about 20 to 25 minutes till the vegetables are just about soft, or the way that you like them. You can leave it longer if you like. And then I'll put the hole in the middle here when the vegetables are done, and fry the egg and then mix it up, and I'll show you how that looks when it's ready. And now I have added in the middle here 2 organic eggs, and I'm going to allow them to fry and then mix it in. Usually I have a big fork handy, but of course I don't right now. But I'm going to mix it around and just let it fry a little bit in the middle, just so that it cooks. And it looks like it's getting there, so I think I'm just going to mix it around in the vegetables, and I think it's done. And a beautiful piece of wild salmon to go along with the gorgeous sweet potato fried rice. I am ready to eat. I will put the recipe on my website next week, harmonioushealthforlife.com. Happy New Year.